Unicorns. What are they? In My Little Pony Friendship is Magic, unicorns, with their distinctive horns and magical abilities, are among the most intriguing species in the series, and this video will explore the anatomical and biological features of a unicorn as presented in the show, with focus on the scientific basis of their magic, the role of the horn, and the evolutionary development of these features. Special thanks to Wikipedia and the MLP FanWiki for the research. Unicorns in MLP FIM possess several unique anatomical traits that differentiate them from other ponies. Central to their identity is their horn on their forehead, which serves as the conduit for their magical abilities. The horn is depicted as a spiraled, conical structure that glows when the unicorn performs magic, suggesting the complex internal structure capabilities of harnessing and channeling magical energy. Magical abilities of a unicorn are primarily channeled through their horn, which can be linked to a biological organ specialized for energy manipulation. In the show, magic is often depicted as an ethereal force, and the horn could be hypothesized to function as a natural antenna or amplifier for this energy. This series does not explicitly detail the internal anatomy of the horn, but parallels can be drawn with real-world concepts such as electromagnetic fields or bioelectricity. A plausible scientific explanation within the show's universe could be that the horn contains a specialized cell or structure possibly similar to piezoelectric material, which generates and manipulates energy when stimulated. This energy could be then interacted with the nervous system, specifically within the brain, to produce various magical outputs. The activation of the horn often coincides with a glow or aura, indicating the flow of energy. In the context of real-world biology, this can be compared to electric organs found in certain fish, such as electric eels, which generate electrical fields. The unicorn's horn might contain a similar biological circuitry that interacts with the brain, particularly regions analogous to the horn's brain's frontal lobe, responsible for complex decision-making and creativity. This could explain in the episode To Where to and Back why Chrysalis's throne can disrupt all kinds of magic, which could be the real-world equivalent to an electromagnetic pulse or EMP, which is a pulse that can occur or can be manufactured to disrupt communication equipment, computers, or even entire electrical networks out of commission. The parallels between magic and electricity also can be seen in the episode Super Squeezy Cider 6000, where the locomotive with the same name is powered by magic. However, not all unicorns have the same aptitude. While some exhibit extraordinary magical powers, others struggle to perform basic spells. The variability suggests a combination of innate talent and the need to learn and practice. The necessity for unicorns to learn spells can be viewed as a similar biological handicap, such as learning basic motor skills like walking or language in humans. It implies that while unicorns possess the basic physiology structures needed for magic, such as the horn and associated neural networks, the mastery of these abilities require mental training and practice. From an evolutionary perspective, this learning curve can be considered as a developmental trade-off. Unicorns with their genetic potential for high magical aptitude might need to invest more time and energy to developing their skills, similar to how highly intelligent animals often require prolonged periods of learning. This investment can also be seen as an evolutionary advantage, providing significant benefits such as defense, resource acquisition, and social status, such as, for example, pre-Season 4 Twilight Sparkle, Starlight Glimmer, and Starswell the Bearded are portrayed as naturally gifted in magic, capable of mastering complex spells with relative ease. This suggests the existence of genetic or developmental factors that confer enhanced magical abilities. These factors could include a more efficient or larger magical neural network, a more sensitive or more powerful horn, or other biological advantages that enhance their ability to channel and control magical energies. In real-world terms, this could be linked to natural talent in specific fields, where certain individuals demonstrate exceptional abilities from a young age. These gifted unicorns may possess a natural higher capability for magical energy or a more finely tuned connection between their horn and their brain's magical centers. It is around halfway in the video, and if you're enjoying this deep dive so far, please consider subscribing, because only a small percentage of you actually are, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, join my Discord server, where you can see sneak peeks of my animated series. Oh yeah, didn't I forget to mention that I'm making the equivalent of G6? Anyways, in the MLP-FIM universe, it is reasonable to theorize that the unicorns evolved from a common ancestor shared with other pony races such as the Pegasi and Earth ponies. Over time, a subset of the population might have developed a protrusion in their foreheads as a result of a beneficial mutation. This protrusion, perhaps initially serving a purpose unrelated to magic, such as defense or social signaling, gradually evolved into the complex horn capable of channeling magic. Natural selection could have favored unicorns with more refined control over the magical abilities, leading to the sophisticated magical talents as seen in the show. This evolutionary pathway mirrors the real-world evolution of specialized organs in animals, such as the evolution of tusks in elephants, antlers in deers, which serve a specific function to confer survival advantages. In the show, unicorns are shown to teleport themselves and others across distances instantaneously. From a scientific perspective, teleportation is depicted in MLP-FIM involves instantaneous transfer of matter from one location to another, bypassing the intervening space. Theoretically, the concept aligns with quantum mechanics, specifically the idea of quantum alignment and teleportation, where information about the states of particles can be instantaneously transferred. However, applying this to microscopic objects like living beings presents insurmountable challenges with our current scientific understanding. The most significant issue includes the vast energy requirements maintaining the integrity of biological matter and the complexities of reassembling atoms precisely to preserve life and consciousness. Thus, while teleportation in FIM serves as a fascinating plot device, it remains beyond our reach of contemporary science. Another remarkable power is the ability to transmutate objects or conjure them from seemingly nothing. Unicorns can transform one object into another, alter the properties of materials, or summon items instantaneously. This ability is akin to the concept of alchemy or molecular reconfiguration, where matter is reconstructed at the atomic or subatomic level. The energy required to alter atomic structures is immense, governed by Einstein's mass energy equivalence principle, which is E equals mc squared. Additionally, the precise control needed to achieve specific outcomes, such as changing chemical composition of materials, adds another layer of complexity. Currently, such capabilities are beyond human technology and understanding, as they would necessitate control over fundamental forces of nature on a scale far beyond our current physical and engineering capabilities. In conclusion, the unicorns of My Little Pony Friendship is Magic present a plausible biology which is surprisingly grounded by a reality closer than we might thought not possible. And those who think I'm smart, I got an 11 out of 90 in my biology exam. This script took me hours. Good night, and good riddance.